Zeke, what you doing? Whoa, are you helping Dada shovel?
Whoa!
Good job!
He like grunts like every piece of effort.
What a good boy! Are you a good shoveler?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dada.
Where's Dada? I don't know if you can go that far, buddy. It's pretty deep.
Whoa. It's okay, you stay there. Daddy will come. It's deep.
It's too deep. It's too deep? Okay, Dada's gonna come help you.
I'm gonna come towards you.